Welcome to Nature Minute. I'm Ethan Hatchett. Today we're going to talk about pollinators. It's that time of year again. Bees are buzzing, hummingbirds are chirping, and butterflies are buttering? Yeah, buttering. Pollinators are very important to the ecosystem. Without them, plants would have a hard time reproducing. When plants have trouble reproducing, we have trouble producing food. Sadly, the pollinators are disappearing due to loss of habitat and pesticide use. They need your help. Please visit the link in the description to see what you can do for pollinators. Thanks for watching. See you next time.